So what are you doing now, Shantik?
Digging.
Digging what?
Digging soil. Oh,
You mean wood chips?
yeah, wood chips.
Why do we do that? He doesn't really know. Why do we put wood chips everywhere?
So plants grow.
So plants grow?
Yep.
Well, I guess you do. Well, and make you trip. What else does wood chips do to your garden?
Help your plants grow.
Help your plants grow? Okay, that's one again. What's something else? Huh? This is a big pile of wood chips, huh, Shant?
Yeah.
It's like 2.5 feet high and 4 feet wide. Doesn't really look like it in the ultra lens, but ultra wide lens. What else does it do, Sean? Tell me. Does it help when we water?
Yep.
How does it help when you water? Why did you put something there? Yeah, there you go. Shove it around like this. Like this. Why does it help when we water our plants?
Because it is wood chips.
Because it's wood chips. That makes sense. It helps plants grow because it's wood chips, and it helps when we water plants. I told you you're going to get wood chips in your... That's one problem with wood chips, everyone. It gets everywhere.
Can you help me?
Okay, hold on. There you go. This is a early Alberta peach shot. I planted it when your sister was born. So this is going to be your sister's. Yours is... Oh, wow. The buds are already swelling.
What?
The buds. Look at that. Wow. Now, will I let them grow into fruit? I don't know. We'll see. Anything else, Shant, you want to say?
No.
No? All right, what about happy gardening? What?
Actually, one more thing.
One more thing. Okay, here we go.
2 more.
All right, 2 more things. It's going to be a philosophy lesson for everyone. What is a philosophy lesson, Shant?
I heard that.
What?
I heard of it.
You heard of it?
Nope.
You mean you never heard of philosophy?
Yep.
Okay, okay. Don't worry about that. What are the 2 things that you were about to say?
Wood chips can hurt you.
Wood chips can hurt you.
Yeah, because they can put a splinter in you.
They could put a splinter in you. Yeah. What is the other thing you wanted to say before we end the video?
And when plants grow, they grow faster with these.
They grow faster with the wood chips. All right.
Because it helps water, so it grows faster.
It helps water so it grows faster. Good. All right. Say happy gardening, Sean.
Happy gardening.
Say it. Look at the camera. Say happy gardening.
Happy gardening. Hello, everyone. So, like, share, subscribe. And bye, everyone. I can't remember.